Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This video we will see a question based on projection of lines. Question is, a straight line PQ has its end P 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The end Q is 50 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. If the end projectors are 70 mm apart, draw the projection of the line, determine its true length and true inclination with reference planes. Since the given end is 20 mm above 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, draw a reference line, mark a point here. From there, mark 10 mm above this point. Name that point as P dash, since it is the front view. Now it is also 20 mm in front. 20 mm in front is below in top view. So from this point, mark 20 mm downwards. Name that point as P. Do the dimension 10 mm and 20 mm. Also draw the reference lines. Also draw the locus of this P dash and P. Now it's also given that the other end is 50 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. So from here, keep some distance. From there you mark 50 mm above and draw a locus like that. So from same point, 70 mm in front. 70 mm in front is 70 mm downwards. So from this point, mark 70 mm downwards and draw a locus like this. Do the dimensioning also. It's also given that distance between end projectors is 70 mm apart. So from here you mark 70 mm like this and draw a vertical line to meet this locus drawn through 50 and 70 mm. Now connect that point P dash to Q dash and P to Q. Now P dash Q dash as center and P dash Q dash as radius and P dash as center. Draw an arc like this to meet the locus of P dash at Q2 dash. Drop that point to the locus of, or draw a vertical line, or drop that point to the locus drawn through the point Q at Q2. Connect that P to Q2. Similarly, PQ as radius and P as center. Draw an arc like this to meet the locus of P at Q1. Now draw a vertical line upwards from Q1 to locus of Q dash and name that point as Q1 dash. Connect P dash Q1 dash and PQ2. We want to find the actual inclinations, apparent inclinations, apparent length and true length. So the actual inclination is the actual inclination is the line which is the angle which the line makes with the horizontal plane and vertical plane. So alpha and beta. So this alpha you can get it as the line P dash Q1 dash with the reference line. So that angle we will get it as 25 degrees, and front view makes an angle 30 degrees. That is, front view P dash Q dash makes an angle 30 degrees with reference line. With the reference axis. Similarly, top view, the vertical plane angle is PQ2 angle with the reference line, that we can get it as 32 degrees, and top view makes an angle PQ makes an angle 36 degrees. So actual inclination of the line with the reference with horizontal plane is 25 degrees, with vertical plane is 32 degrees, and apparent inclination of the front view is 30 degrees and top view is 36 degrees. Also on measurement we can get the length of the front view as the length P dash Q dash is equal to 81 mm, length of the top view as the length PQ as 86 mm, and the true length as the length P dash Q1 dash or PQ2 as 95 mm.